Nasa BGC ka na naman? Alam mo na ang next na tanong. Saan kaya masarap kumain today? Nakakagutom talaga kapag nasa BGC. Hello mga best! We recently attended the Foodmarks Creator Summit and dito nga namin na-discover ang Coca-Cola Foodmarks. And syempre ang epicenter here at BGC. We learned from inspiring talks from top food creators, played games, ang daming giveaways while catching up with my fellow foodies. After the event, I was craving something comforting so I followed the Foodmarks list and ended up here at BBQ Chicken. Love the ambience here. I got the beef sundubu jjigae, spicy and satisfying. Itong basil tomato pasta na creamy and balanced. Panalo talaga ang savory Korean dishes partnered with ice cold Coke. So if you happen to spot these cool Coca-Cola side dishes with the QR code, just scan and it will show highly recommended food spots around BGC. So mga best, make sure to check out the BGC Foodmarks and enjoy your own foodie moment with Coca-Cola. Cheers! Tara, let's eat!